yeah, it's like we've got to have more profit. We've got to take the stress out of our days. We've got to be able to make more so that we can not only take care of the raised or increased expenses, but also to have some extra so that we can put some aside. And we may need to take more breaks and vacations, kind of getaways where we're taking some time off away from the salon. Whether you travel or not is a whole nother story, but even taking some days off or, 1 week a quarter or something like that to have that downtime to not be so stressed out. And I don't know about for you guys, but definitely for me, it's like when I'm, kind of stressed, or even if I'm looking at like, okay, I've got all these people to get out, it's going to be a crazy day, one of those days with skates. It's like, not that I don't do good work, but at the same time, it's like I'm not necessarily my most creative or at my best per se. And so I think having a less hectic schedule allows for more creativity. So I think that's, an additional bonus or additional thing that goes along with taking more time, doing fewer clients, increasing your prices, and creating that profit, is that you also give a better client experience as well.